All right, we're back at it again. We just rolled in on the property. We got 4 cars they won't remove from the property, and they're pretty rough. I'm gonna get out and check. I got to get out, check this vehicle here, make sure it's the right tag. Got a white Toyota. I got to check the tag on this one. I got a property map too. Brakes up. I'll have to lock it out. I can do a lockout pretty easily. Yeah, that's the right one. I'm gonna go check this green Dodge. Got one more I gotta check, and then I'm gonna figure out. I got two trucks in here. 2 trucks. So I'm probably gonna have to flatbed the trucks, because both these here, I believe this is my next one here. DC white. I'm almost positive this is my other one. It's got all the tires pumped up, so I can wheel lift this one. Go down here and find one of these trucks. I'm gonna come back and wheel lift one of these 2. I'll probably get the wrecked one first, just because it's such an eyesore. But this property, they stickered quite a few, and the people they stickered had the opportunity to call the office. Some of them did, some of them didn't. But she does have quite a few that called, and the ones that didn't were probably people that moved off the property. Anyway, we'll see what happens on these next couple. Anyway, we're rolling up on the F-150. I'm almost positive this is the right one. I can tell by looking at the windows on it. It's rough. It's been sitting in that spot for a while. Yeah. I'm hoping is the nest was up underneath the truck, something like that, and maybe I disturbed it. But we're gonna find out. I'm gonna pull over here to find out, and maybe we'll luck out and the nest is here. I hope that that's the case, because they're still swarming over here. Anyway, we'll see what happens, man. We'll figure it out. I'm trying not to get stung if I can help it. But, nonetheless, man, just another hazard to the job. That's why these vehicles get towed, man. Crap like this. Quick lockout and get out of here. These cars sit this long, man. They wind up with bugs and bees and ants and spiders all over them. This is the Yellow Jacket truck here. As a matter of fact, there's still Yellow Jackets on it. But I almost got hit by these Yellow Jackets on this truck. I'm glad we finally found those Yellow Jackets, man. Somebody's gonna get tore out of the frame if I wouldn't have found that nest. I can guarantee it. But anyway, I'm gonna roll to the house, man. How you doing, man?
Hi. I need this. I need a ticket, so I'm leaving today.
When?
This.
What about this one?
No, this is coming for the.
Yeah, you gotta have a tag on it, man. They're calling to impound it.
Yeah, okay. This is
Yeah. That one's yours?
I'm leaving today.
What about this one? There's this one.
No, this is the sign is that one.
Huh?
This is that one. The sign.
The tag on that one belongs on that one.
Yeah, I go now today.
Yeah.
Hey, give me one day more.
You're gonna have to talk to the office.
I go to the office.
Yeah, you're gonna have to talk to them because I gotta tow it otherwise.
Yeah, so yeah, this is yeah, this today is there. It's coming for the everything.
Okay.
This is I leave it today.
Okay. All right. This guy right here switched tags off of one van. That van right there didn't have a tag, so he pulled the tag off that van and put it on that van, so we can't tow it. Anyway, back by special request, somebody wants to know how the rooster's doing. Actually, several people is asking about the rooster, so we're gonna go over and check on the rooster, see if we can get him riled up. Not gonna be able to see. There's a spot I might can see through right here. Yeah, he's over here. There he is. Anyway, he's still over here, boy. He's a pretty good sized rooster. I made him mad now. Anyway, we're gonna get back on the road, go yank some more cars, or whatever the boss has got.